To hide notification content on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra lock screen, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap lock screen notification and then select hide content. By doing this, now if you receive a new notification from an app while your phone screen is off, when you go to your lock screen and tap the notification icon, your phone will just tell you that you have unread notification from that app like this. If you like to know its content, you need to unlock your phone first. As a note, if you enable pop-up notification, your phone will also not display notification content from the selected app on the pop-up. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.